Hello everyone, I'm Arun K. pursuing my BCSE IoT and Cybersecurity with Blockchain Technology at SNS College of Engineering. In this video, let's take a look on 6 advantages of cybersecurity in AI. First of all, let us understand what both of these technologies are and how they are connected. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. It's also known as information technology security or electronic information security. Cybersecurity can be divided into a few categories: network security, application security, operation security, disaster and recovery, business continuity, and end user education. Types of cybersecurity are information security, network security, cloud security, organizational policy framework, at last end user behavior. Types of cyber threats. The threats countered by cybersecurity are threefold: cybercrime, cyber attack, cyber terrorism. Cybercrime include single actor or groups targeting system for financial gain or to cause disruption. Cyber attacks means often involves political motivated information gathering. Cyber terrorism is intended to undermine electronic systems to cause panic or fear. 6 common types of cyber attacks are malware, DDoS, phishing, SQL injection attacks, botnets, and at last cross-site scripting. Cyber safety tips to protect ourselves against cyber attacks. First, update your software and operating system and use antivirus software. Use strong password. Don't open email attacks from unknown senders. Don't click on the links in emails from unknown senders or unfamiliar websites. Avoid using insecure Wi-Fi networks in public places. Our next topic is application of cyber security. And applications are privacy framework, DNS based content filtering, threat detection, threat prevention, privacy engineering, and voting system security. Artificial intelligence or AI is a broad field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent computers that can do operations and that would normally need human intelligence without the need for human intervention. Expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision are examples of AI applications. In general, AI systems work by ingesting large amounts of labeled training data, analyzing the data for correlations and patterns, and using these patterns to make predictions about future states. AI programming focuses on 3 cognitive skills: learning, reasoning, and self-correction. And next, we have machine learning and deep learning. In this slide, we can notice that machine learning and deep learning comes under the AI. Machine learning teaches a machine how to make inference and decisions based on past experience. But deep learning is an ML technique. It teaches a machine to process inputs through layers in order to classify, infer, and predict the outcome. Artificial intelligence is important because it can give enterprises insights into the operations that they may not have aware of previously, and because in some cases AI can perform tasks better than humans, particularly when it comes to repetitive, detail-oriented tasks like analyzing large numbers of legal documents to ensure relevant fields are filled in properly. AI tools often complete jobs quickly and with relatively few errors. And now, 6 advantages of cybersecurity in AI. First, faster detection and response times. Artificial intelligence can accelerate the recognition of authentic issues quickly across referring various cautions and wellsprings of security information. Human digital security specialists will even now make the approaches the needs of the episodes to be taken care of. However, it can be additionally helped by AI frameworks that consequently recommend plans for improving reactions. Next, network security. Two significant places of system security are the production of security strategy and making sense of an association system geography. Normally, both of these exercises are very tedious. We can utilize AI to speed up these procedures, which is done by watching and learning system traffic designs just as recommending security arrangements. That doesn't just spare time yet, in addition, a great deal of exertion and assets which we can rather apply to territories of a mechanical turn of events and headway. And next, phishing detection and prevention control. One of the most widely utilized digital assault techniques where programmers attempt to convey their payload utilizing a phishing assault is phishing. As phishing messages are very common, 1 in every 99 messages is a phishing assault. Luckily, AI ML may assume a noteworthy job in forestalling and deflecting phishing assaults. Computer-based intelligence (ML) can recognize and follow in excess of 10,000 dynamic phishing sources and respond and remediate a lot speedier than people can. Additionally, AI ML works at filtering phishing dangers from everywhere throughout the world. There is no limitations in its comprehension of phishing efforts to a particular geological territory. Computer-based intelligence has made it conceivable to separate between a phony site and a real one rapidly. At fourth, secure authentication. Passwords have consistently been an exceptionally delicate control with regards to security. What's more, they are frequently the main boundary between cyber criminals and our records. The primary way secure verification can be accomplished is physically recognized proof, where AI utilizes the various elements to distinguish an individual. For example, a cell phone can utilize unique finger impression scanners and facial acknowledgements to permit you to sign in. The procedure behind this involves the program examining primary information that focus on your face and fingers to perceive if the login is true. Besides that, AI can investigate different components to decide whether a particular client is approved to sign into any particular device. And fifth one, behavioral analytics. Another important use of AI in cybersecurity originates from its ability to analyze behavior. This means ML calculation can learn and make an example of your conduct by breaking down how you utilize your gadgets on online stages. The subletics can incorporate everything from your run-of-the-mill login times and IP delivers to your composting and looking over examples. In the event that whenever the AI calculation notice uncommon exercise or any conduct that falls outside your standard examples, it can signal it as being finished by a suspicious client or even square the client. At last, we have AI in preventing online frauds. Companies must have the opinion. At last, we have AI in preventing online frauds. Companies must have the option to recognize a digital assault ahead of time. This is to have the option to obstruct whatever the force or endeavoring the accomplish. AI is that piece of artificial intelligence which has demonstrated to be amazingly valuable with regards to recognizing the digital dangers. It depends on examining the information and discussing a risk before it misses the helplessness in your data frameworks. AI empowers PCs to utilize the adjust calculations dependent on the information got gaining from it and understanding the subsequent enhancements required. In a cybersecurity setting, this will entail simply that AI is empowering the PC to foresee dangers and watch any irregularities with much more precision than any other human can. Finally, AI techniques have experienced quick change and progress from being insignificant specialized. It helps to cybersecurity specialists in managing moves identified with the discovery and avoidance of cyber attacks. AI can discover cybersecurity dangers and advise the specialized to take proper measures. So, concerning the advanced setting, the job of AI is expanding different parts of data innovation like AI in cybersecurity, software testing, and data security. Thank you. We will see in next video about any useful content.